Hi guys, Yanni from Yanamize. Just turned up to the London Motor Show at the Excel. Got a lovely parking space. Let's head inside, let's have a look at the Learner Lamborghini and meet some of you guys. So I'm going to be on the Get Licensed Driving School stand where the Learner Lamborghini is. Everyone is talking about that car. Remember, that is KSI's old car. So yeah, it's a cool car. Make sure you guys check them out. So just got inside, there is the Learner Lamborghini, the Get Licensed Driving School. It's a lovely looking car. Would you like to take your test or lessons in this car? I know I would have when I was a kid. So I'm going to do a quick meet and greet. Got a few people queuing up now. So I'll do some pictures, say hello like I always do, and then I'm going to be on stage a little bit later, and then I'll be in the parade. So let's do some pictures. Look, first boy up, got a Yanamize t-shirt. So I'm inside doing pictures and sign-ins, and we are letting people sit in the car. So we're here now, yeah? So this guy went Francis. I was like, how do you know Francis? Obviously Francis is the Get Licensed Driving instructor. He's like the face of the channel, and you've had quite a few. Why is he so good? Tell me.
Because he knows how to talk to his students.
He loves to talk, doesn't he? Yeah. He talks a lot. You know when you're driving around, does he like hoot at girls and stuff? No, he's very professional, yeah? I'm only kidding, I'm only kidding. So let's do a picture. Go have some fun with the kids. Oh. Is that from Cars? You know I've been in Cars. I was in Cars 3. Pleased to meet you. When you say, hold on. When you say a massive fan, yeah? How massive a fan are you?
I watch the majority of your videos.
YouTube or TV?
YouTube and your TV series.
Okay, so give me an episode in the TV show.
We had that Ferrari, they had the custom blue wheels on.
The Ferrari with the custom blue wheels on?
Great wrap.
Oh, no, they were red, the wheels. They weren't blue.
Yes.
So tell me. So how old are you? 7. Wow, okay, you're a big boy for 7, aren't you?
Yeah.
Favourite car?
Lambo.
Good choice. Okay, favourite colour?
Red.
Red. Favourite person you like on TV and YouTube?
Yanamize.
See, you know. Right, let's do a picture. No, Mark and Nico are not here. They're not here today. What's wrong? What's wrong? Talk to me, what's wrong? Breathe, what's wrong? Okay, talk to me, listen. Breathe. Ready? Let me hear you breathe. In, out, in, out. Right, we calm? Okay, don't worry about anyone else, it's you and me here, yeah? We calm, yeah? Okay? So your name's Harry. Right, okay, you happy to see me? Okay, so calm. You like cars? Okay, so tell me what car you like. You like McLarens? Good, right, I've got to continue because I need to leave, I need to go on stage. Lovely meeting you.
I have to be the bad guy.
Last one, just everyone get in, last picture, quick, last one, I've got to go. Okay, I've got to go, sorry.
stage. Yanni,
Thank you.
Yanni, do you know what? I know you probably don't get as many of these questions. Can we go back to, before we get into audience questions and this and that, can we go back to the day one for you, cars? How mad into cars are you, son?
Cars has always been my life. It was something that I was passionate about. So I had loads of different jobs. I worked at Marks and Spencer's, I worked at Do It All, I worked at Office World, just doing the normal sales. I've done night shifts, stacking the shelves, but cars was something that I was passionate about. So if you're passionate about something, it doesn't feel like work.
So for you, when you first heard about car wrapping, when was it you were like, oh, this changes everything? Because it does in the car world.
So car wrapping is from, if you think back to like the Sky Sports vans and you think back where they had like the branding, like the Simpsons or the football, that is wrapping. And obviously that was just like pictures and digital. And then people thought, hold on a minute, let's do a full color change. And I was like, I'm not gonna say I was the main guy, but I was one of the early people to start doing supercars and hypercars. And when you do that and people with money see that those cars can be done with no damage, it just explodes.
How do you design a car?
Right, so you ready for this? So I own the biggest car wrapping company. I don't wrap. However, Richard Branson doesn't fly planes. I'm a boss. I've got an amazing team around me. My staff are fantastic.
But you visualise a car. When somebody comes in and says, here is my car, I want you to do something to this. Are you the brains behind it? Because you must have started in that position.
Yes, I used to always do stuff to my car, whether it would be change the wheels, put an exhaust on it. The Lerner Lamborghini was my idea to put the Lerner box. So when they approached me on it and they said to me, we want to make a Lerner car, and they were like, we're going to put Lerner stickers. I'm like, that's not enough. Let's put a Lerner box on a Lamborghini Aventador. They were like, brilliant, and we've done it.
Do you get nervous?
I used to get nervous, but I trust my team, and if someone doesn't like it, it's a wrap. You can take it back off. It's not permanent. That's the whole idea of wrapping. So if you spend £20,000 on a car and then you go to sell that car, you're going to lose value on the vehicle. If you wrap that car, you feel like you bought a new car for £2,000 or £3,000, and that's the whole idea. And then when you take it back home, and your neighbours are like, "Oh, did you buy a new car?" "No, I just had it wrapped." And they're like, "Really?"
You've had a lot of celebs in your place. For you, which have been the one that you've been most excited to meet, or the one you're like, guess who's coming in today?
Okay, so I'm a Gooner, massive Arsenal fan. I'd probably say Aubameyang, we just done both his cars in chrome gold. Didier Drogba's cool, John Terry's cool. I've done all of One Direction, Gordon Ramsay, Rupert Grint from Harry Potter. I can sit and name drop all day long.
Question from the guy in the back here. Hello.
Well, how much does it cost for an average car to be wrapped?
If you base it, let's say a BMW 3 Series, outside only, £1,500. If you go chrome, you're looking at more like £4,000 or £5,000. But an average car's around £1,500 for a normal colour.
Fair play. All right, let's have another question for Yanni. There's a guy down here.
Very sharp guy down there. Feeling that suit.
Have you ever had a car come to you and the guy says, "This is what I want," and in your head you're thinking, "That's going to look terrible"?
Yes, a few times. I'm not going to always say the customer's always right, but I will advise my customer what I think. And if they still want to go with it, it's their prerogative. Listen, I post stuff on social media all the time, and people are like, "Oh my God, what's that person done?" It's their car. If they're happy and they like it, good luck to them. It doesn't matter what anyone else thinks.
There's a young lady at the back with the first hand in the air with a blue t-shirt on. She's thinking, yes.
But afterwards, I saw that young boy there, so can we go to him as well, please,
Okay,
after?
absolutely, yeah. Let's do this lady first.
Just a quick one. What's your next car after your Aventador?
I want a hypercar next, is the honest truth, but I can't justify mentally spending over £1 million on a car. 350,000 is mentally in my head, I feel it's acceptable, even though it's probably not.
Yeah.
But yeah, I want a hypercar.
Fair play. Okay, we've got one more question.
That young boy there.
Yeah, here we go. Guy in the MG hat here.
What's your favourite car that you've wrapped?
That's a good question.
There's been a few. I'd probably say the McLaren P1 in chrome rose gold. That was special, real special.
Okay, guys, that is Yanni on the stage here at the 2019 London Motor Show. Can we have a massive round of applause for the legend?
Thank you, thank you. Just so you know, I'm on the stand just over there with the Lerner Lamborghini. So if you want to take a driving test or have a driving lesson, head over there and see how you can find a driving instructor.
We'll get a photo with Yanni as well.
Yeah, I'm doing the parade as well, and I'll be driving the Lerner Lamborghini, the Get Licensed car.
Just recognised quite like that, can you?
Like to make an entrance always.
At this point, how long is this?
Yeah.
How long is it running for?
So it's fairly new, we've just set it up now. What it is get licensed. How do people find their driving instructor? You ask your friend, neighbour. We now have a platform where you can find it. All the details are on this car. The traction is unbelievable. And this car used to belong to KSI. It's KSI's old Lambo. For you, you got...
Yeah, no, who knows?
Ask a child. He's got about 20 million subscribers. He's like the god of YouTube.
You mean bigger than you, Yanni? Surely not.
Bigger than me, I'm afraid.
Well, Yanni, get back in, give us some more noise.
So I'm at the London Motor Show. It's been absolutely amazing. I've been here with Get Licensed Driving School. Yes, with that learner Lamborghini, and yes, it was KSI's old car. If you're about to take your test, if you're about to take lessons, if you're a driving instructor, hit this link. You need to go and see them. They've got so many different driving instructors, so many different opportunities for you to pass your test, guys. But London Motor Show for another year. It's been amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.